You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to save Instagram stories with music to your phone's gallery. First, create your story in Instagram, add a photo or video, then tap the sticker icon at the top, select the music sticker, search for and choose the song you want, select the clip and place it on your story, customize the text or style. Now to save it, do not post it yet. Instead, tap the send to arrow in the bottom right. On the sharing screen at the very top, tap save or the download icon. Your story with music will be saved as a video file to your phone's camera roll. If you've already posted the story, you can still save it. Go to your profile. Tap your story, tap the three-dot menu and select Save. This saves it without the viewer list and includes the music. Remember, due to copyright, some songs may not be available for saving or may be muted when shared outside Instagram. The saved video can be reposted or shared on other platforms. For more simple Instagram editing tutorials, subscribe to the channel.